Some people might flip that on you and actually says it brings the ummah together. Like, for example, you saw the nation of England recently, they're all united together because they all want to win the World Cup. If you have a Muslim team playing a non-Muslim team, the whole Muslim country of this team, Saudi Arabia playing, I know, France, for example, whole of Saudi Arabia are going to be united on this.
They're only united on that certain game. Then next day, they're disunited. Who said also that the unity should be based on a particular nation? The unity of Muslims should be what? All over the world.
Okay, let's just say all over the world. You've got a Muslim team versus Saudi Arabia, France, the whole Muslim ummah say we want Saudi Arabia to win. We want not just Saudi Arabia, we want the Muslims to win. Isn't that a good thing? Can't football bring people together? What I'm saying.
What about the few Muslims that are going to be in that football team as well?
And the other team, in the other country?
Because he deserves.
No, even there, they're just all the Muslims together. You know what happened? Like, for example, what happened in the fighting, this UFC thing. Last year, I think it was very famous. Conor McGregor and Khabib. Khabib, this fight. Okay, they had a fight. Now that was like Islam versus Kufr. But it wasn't. I'm saying, inshallah, it wasn't. We're not saying that. But what I'm saying is the Muslims who were in Conor's country, I think he's from Ireland, the Muslims who were in there were still supporting Khabib. It brought Muslims together though.
Some non-Muslims were supporting Khabib.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, can't sport bring people together as well as disunite? That's what my point. Can't it bring people together?
But it does. Look, first of all, when it brings the people together, it doesn't bring them together on a religious grounds. It brings the people on a certain event and they disagree later. That's number one. Second thing I want you to is that when you say it brings the people together, what about the non-Muslims who came with the Muslims on Khabib as well?
Yeah.
Who supported him? There's a large number of non-Muslims who supported him. And actually, all Russians were supporting him as a Russian national.
Yeah. Okay. That's a problem.
And again, with all honesty, the game is not allowed aslan. So whether a Muslim do it, non-Muslim, it doesn't change the ruling. This game is not allowed to punch a person in the face and etc.